delivery address on Shein. Hey everyone, all good? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this updated video, I'll show you how to add, change or delete delivery addresses for your orders on Shein. Like these kinds of videos, we have more related videos on this channel. Subscribe, like, and I'll keep making helpful videos for you. Folks, there's already a video showing the steps on mobile. This video is for computer users. So, I'm logged into Shein. Click this icon at the top. Then click on My Profile. In the sidebar, you'll see options. Click on Address Book. Here you'll see all your saved addresses. To delete an address, click this option below. To edit missing info, just click Edit. Click this button to add missing address details. To create a new address, click this top button, folks. Enter your info: full name, phone, zip code, address, extra details, state, city, neighborhood, and ID number. Set this as your default address for future orders. Deliveries will go here if you select Make Default. After entering all info, click the Save button below. It's quick and easy, everyone. Did you get it? Let us know in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Thanks.